A single founder just hit $1.8 billion in revenue. No team, no office, just AI agents. This isn't a prediction, it already happened. Here are 27 trends making this possible, and the exact playbook you need before the window closes. Trend 1. The 1-hour company stack. In 2020, building a startup took 12 months. You had an idea, hired developers, spent months building an MVP, launched on Product Hunt, and maybe got your first revenue by month 12. In 2026, grab an idea by 9 a.m., have something built by 9:15, ship a product by 9:45, get your first customer by 10, iterate by lunch. This is not hype. Tools like Claude Code and agent engineering platforms make this real. The constraint is no longer development, it's distribution. The founders winning right now are the ones who built an audience before they needed it. Trend 2. Ambient businesses. Imagine a business that runs with zero daily human input. Agents monitor markets, identify opportunities, handle customer service, and execute. You check in once every few days. Felix Craft is doing $78,000 a month with 0 human employees. Polshia hit 1.5 million ARR the same way. AI handles 80 to 85% of execution at 2 to 5% of the cost. 75% of businesses plan to deploy AI agents by end of 2026. Most autonomous builder software today produces AI slop. But the arrow of progress is clear. We are moving toward 7- and 8-figure ambient businesses. Trend 3. The agent economy timeline. 3 eras of technology. The App Store era from 2009 to 2015. Humans downloaded apps and operated them. The API economy from 2015 to 2024. Developers wired APIs together. And now the agent economy from 2025 to 2030. Agents discovering and hiring other agents on the fly. This market is going from $7.8 billion in 2025 to $52.6 billion by 2030. That is a 46% compound annual growth rate. Gartner says 20% of commerce will be machine-to-machine by 2030. 31,000 agent skills already exist on marketplaces. Most of them are garbage. That is your opportunity. Trend 4. Agents hiring agents, CEO agents spinning up sales agents, dev agents, and marketing agents. Like a serverless function where agents create subtasks and shut down when done. 51% of companies have already deployed AI agents. Here is a startup idea I cannot stop thinking about. A Glassdoor for AI agents, a reputation layer for an agent marketplace. Someone is going to build this, and it is going to be massive. Trend 5. Vertical AI versus vertical SaaS. Vertical SaaS captures a fraction of IT spend. You sell software licenses. Humans operate the tool. Typical outcome 10 to 100 million. Vertical AI taps directly into labor P&L. You are replacing headcount, not just software licenses. The total addressable market is 10 times bigger. Vertical AI startups are growing at roughly 400% and competing at 80% of traditional SaaS contract value. YC predicts 300+ unicorns in vertical AI this decade. The opportunity is in boring industries. Insurance still uses 30-year actuary tables. Legal, logistics, elder care, government, accounting, construction. The more boring the vertical, the less competition. Trend 6. The SaaS pricing evolution. It used to be $50 per user per month. That is dying. Seat-based pricing is declining from 21 to 15%. The shift is going to outcome-based, pay per result delivered, $1.50 per resolve ticket instead of $100 per seat per month. Zendesk is already doing this. 83% of AI native SaaS has already switched. Gartner says 40% of enterprise SaaS shifts to outcome-based by 2030. Someone is going to build $1 billion business doing nothing but converting legacy SaaS to outcome pricing. Trend 7, the SaaS Graveyard. $1 trillion in SaaS market cap erased in early 2026. Some stocks down 50 to 60%. Companies that traded at 12 times revenue now trading at 4 times. What is dying first? Generic CRM. Agents do it better. Basic analytics dashboards. AI generates insights on demand. Template marketplaces. AI generates custom templates instantly. Scheduling tools. Agents handle calendars natively. What survives? Vertical workflow tools that pivot to agent companies. Infrastructure plays, and anyone with a proprietary data moat. Trend 8, the Scarcity Flip. What AI commoditizes? Generic code, generic content, basic design, data entry, routine analysis, all racing to zero. What becomes scarce and premium? Creative judgment, human-made crafts, physical experiences, original weird thinking, proprietary data. The value is migrating from execution to judgment. Being weird is going to sell in 2026 and beyond. LLMs are not good at being weird. You have a unique perspective on life. Lean into your weirdness. Trend 9. The premium stack. Most premium is human-made. Porsche ran a 100% human-made ad campaign. A race to establish an AI-free logo, like organic labels for food. Premium is AI-assisted but human-led. You get human taste with AI speed. Commodity is fully AI service. And then there is a race to zero pricing in some categories. Luxury brands will lean into human-made and no AI involved. If you are building a premium product, think about where you sit on this stack. Trend 10. The experience economy boom. When digital is infinite and AI generated, scarcity shifts to physical presence with other humans. Karaoke bars, escape rooms, immersive theater, co-working spaces, live music. This whole experience economy is here and accelerating. I am actively looking at incubating and investing in IRL businesses because the arbitrage between digital and physical has never been wider. Trend 11. Founder Agent Fit. It used to be all about founder market fit. Do you understand the customer? Now the bigger shift is founder agent fit. Can you orchestrate a fleet of agents toward your goal? Think of yourself as a film director. You are not holding the camera. You are not acting. You are not writing the score. You are getting performances out of your actors. Except now the actors are machines. This is not about coding skill. It is about delegation and systems thinking. Trend 12. The Ghost Team org chart. 2 humans and a fleet of AI agents running sales, content, and customer support. Medvi turned a $20,000 investment into a $1.8 billion run rate with AI tools. Peter Levels runs 3 million plus ARR as a solo operator. Maybe you name your agents, maybe they have personalities. Eventually they will video chat you. They will send voice notes. The future team page might be 2 people and 15 AI team members. As a person building a holding company, I think this model makes owning multiple AI native businesses completely achievable. Trend 13. The micro monopoly math. Kevin Kelly said 1,000 true fans is all you need. In the AI age, it is 100, because agents cut your costs so dramatically that 100 paying customers is a real business. Here is the math. 5,000 person niche audience. Build a custom app in 48 hours. 100 customers at $50 a month. That is $60,000 in profit for one person. Stack several of these and you have a holding company. The bottleneck is distribution. Build media. Understand paid acquisition. If you do not have an audience, you can pay for one. Trend 14. The agent attack surface. Now for the things that scare me. 88% of organizations reported AI agent security incidents last year. Prompt injection appeared in 73% of production AI deployments. More than half of all agents run without any security oversight. Prompt injections. Poison context windows. malicious MCP servers, agent-to-agent manipulation, permission escalation, compromised training data. Cybersecurity has not caught up to how fast we are moving. Bad things are going to happen. Palo Alto Networks has already documented real-world agent injection attacks. Trend 15. Agent injection versus phishing. In 2010, phishing was tricking a human into clicking a bad link. Targeting email inboxes, human judgment was the defense. Billions were lost per year. In 2026, agent injection tricks an AI agent via hidden instructions. It targets context windows and web content. Agent autonomy is the vulnerability. The potential damage is far bigger than phishing because agents have system access and make autonomous decisions. Poisoning their context window is the new phishing. Trend 16. The agent permission stack and digital hygiene. What can your agent access? Files, emails, calendars, bank accounts? What can it remember? Conversations, personal data, business data. What can it do? Send emails, make purchases, modify code, delete data. What can it share with other agents or third parties? You need quarterly agent cleanses. Review permissions like you review app access. Audit logging, sandboxed execution. Human checkpoints for high-stakes decisions. Memory poisoning is real. False data persists across sessions. Overprivileged agents turn one injection into full compromise. Trends 17 through 20. The asymmetric window. Right now, the build cost is basically zero. Agents do the work. Tons of niches are wide open. Audiences are underpriced. This will not last forever. In 12 months, competition starts catching up. The best niches get claimed. Tools get crowded. In 24 months, the window narrows. Builders who start now will own moats around data, network, brand, and trust. What you need is an API key, some prompts, and a niche audience of 100 to 5,000. What you can get is a business that runs 24/7 with 95% margins and 0 employees. This is the most asymmetric time to be building a startup. Trends 21 through 23. Building in public and your Monday morning playbook. Build in public. Share what you are building. Let your community vote on features. Ship updates in a day. Users become co-builders. Trust and distribution compound. Forking a business like forking a GitHub repo is going to be common. Your community moat is what protects you. Here is your playbook. Step 1. Pick a boring vertical this week. Step 2. Build a micro-monopoly MVP with AI agents in 48 hours. Step 3. Start building an audience before you need it. Step 4. Price on outcomes, not seats. Every day matters. Stop waiting for things to settle down. This is the new normal. Trend 24. The compliance trap. Over 1,200 AI-related bills were introduced across U.S. states last year. 145 became law. There's no federal standard. Colorado's AI Act takes effect June 2026. California's SB 243 lets individuals sue for $1,000 per violation. One autonomous driving startup budgeted $10,000 for compliance. Actual bill exceeded $344,000. Big companies absorb this. Startups cannot. Budget 10 to 15% for compliance. Or better yet, make compliance as a feature your actual product. Trend 25. The Jevons Paradox of AI. Cheaper tokens, bigger bills. Token prices dropped 99.7% in 3 years. GPT-4 cost $60 per million output tokens in 2023. Now equivalent capability costs under $1. But enterprise AI spending tripled from $11 billion to $37 billion. Agentic workflows trigger 10 to 20 LLM calls per user task. Google's token consumption grew 130 times in 18 months. OpenAI lost $5 billion on $3.7 billion revenue. Even providers cannot make the economics work. Your cheap AI feature may cost more to run than your entire previous infrastructure. Set token budgets per agent loop. Model your costs at 10 times current usage. Trend 26. The Moat Massacre. AI killed your feature advantage. Open source models from Chinese labs ship every 4 to 6 weeks at 90% lower cost than closed APIs. 21% of YC Winter 2025 code bases were 91% or more AI generated. Vibe coding was named Word of the Year. 63% of active users are non-developers. If your differentiation is we use AI to do X, someone replicates it in 6 weeks on a cheaper model. The only durable moats left are proprietary data flywheels, brand trust, distribution, and deployment speed. Ship faster. Speed is the new moat. Trend 27. The Trust Stack. Proving you are real. Deepfake as a service went mainstream in 2025. Gartner predicts 30% of enterprises will find identity verification unreliable in isolation by end of 2026. Deepfake fraud losses are projected to exceed $25 billion. A deepfake voice call from your CEO authorizing a wire transfer is now trivially easy. The entire trust layer of the internet is being rebuilt. This is both a threat and a massive startup opportunity. If you are building an identity, verification, or trust, you are sitting on a $25 billion plus problem. 27 trends, one message. The window is open, the tools are free. The only question is whether you act this month or watch someone else do it. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more breakdowns like this. I build with AI agents every single day and share everything I learn. Drop a comment with which trend surprised you the most. I will see you in the next one.